Hello, foodies. How are you all doing? Today, we have come up with another amazing Indo-Chinese recipe, baby corn Manchurian. This vegan recipe is quick and easy to make. Let's begin. You can check all the ingredient lists in the description box below. Marinate with 300 grams of baby corn, half cup corn flour, 2 tablespoons chickpea flour, two tablespoons ginger garlic paste, gently add the marinated baby corn into the oil. Cook on medium flame until they turn crispy. In the same oil, deep fry some onion, green chilies and green peppers. Heat 4 tablespoons of oil in a non-stick pan. Add half a cup of chopped onion and cook until tender. Add some curry leaves. This brings good aroma and flavor to the dish. Add the deep fried baby corn. Add 2 tablespoons of chili sauce and mix well. Add some salt, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, add a pinch of garam masala, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, add some freshly cut cilantro, toss well to coat all the pieces. Serve it hot. Thank you for watching Mahina Foods.